Honda's quietly replaced the CB1000R with the CB1000 Hornet for 2025. And in this video, we're breaking down the differences and why the Hornet is actually a much better deal than the CB1000R. Both CBs continue the tradition of using older superbike engines to create more affordable naked street fighters. The CB1000R is powered by an engine derived from the 2004 Fireblade, a 998cc inline-4 with double overhead cams, while the CB1000 Hornet features a 999cc inline-4 engine from the more recent 2017 Fireblade, which has a slightly larger bore and shorter stroke. The compression ratios are similar, and both bikes come with a 6-speed wet clutch transmission with a slip-and-assist clutch, transferring power to the rear wheel. With its newer and upgraded engine, the Hornet packs more punch. It puts out 157 horsepower at the crank, 12 horses more than the CB1000R. Compared to the base model Hornet, the SP makes 6 horses more, thanks to a different exhaust system that includes a servo-operated valve in the muffler. This valve opens at 5,700 RPM to improve gas flow, increasing horsepower and slightly enhancing noise levels in the process, but without affecting fuel economy or emissions. In terms of torque, the Hornet generates 3 Nm more. Compared to the base model, the SP also boasts an extra 3 Nm of torque. Not only is the Hornet more powerful, but it also boasts a slight weight advantage, being 2 kilograms lighter than the CB1000R. This combination of higher horsepower and lighter weight gives the Hornet roughly a 10% edge in power-to-weight ratio. When it comes to electronics, the Hornet keeps things pretty similar to the CB1000R. Neither bike includes an IMU sensor, which means no cornering ABS. However, both come with a ride-by-wire throttle and 4 riding modes, 3 presets and 1 customizable option. They also offer 3 levels of traction control and engine brake control. A quick shifter is standard on the CB1000R and the SP version of the Hornet. Both models feature a full-color TFT display that supports smartphone connectivity via the Honda RoadSync app. As for the frame, the Hornet gets a completely new design. While the CB1000R uses a steel backbone frame, the Hornet is equipped with a steel perimeter frame that Honda claims has a 70% increase in torsional rigidity. For the front suspension, the CB1000R features a fully adjustable 43mm show a separate function fork, while the Hornet uses a slightly smaller version of the same fork, which is also fully adjustable. The CB1000R is equipped with a Showa shock offering adjustable preload and rebound, whereas the Hornet SP gets an Öhlins TTX36 shock that's fully adjustable for preload, rebound, and compression. Up front, the CB1000R is fitted with a 4-piston Takiko caliper, while the Hornet SP comes with a higher-spec Brembo Stylema caliper. The front tire sizes are identical, but the Hornet uses a slightly narrower rear tire. Both bikes share the same 1,455mm wheelbase and a 25-degree rake. The Hornet also has a 22mm lower seat height, making it a bit more accessible for shorter riders. It also features a slightly larger fuel tank, and when it comes to pricing, the Hornet is much easier on your wallet, £10,000 for the SP model and £9,000 for the base model, while the CB1000R is priced higher at around £12,000. So, with the new Hornet, you're getting more for less. At a significantly lower price, you're getting a more powerful bike with a newer engine. And to accommodate that, Honda has replaced the backbone frame with an all-new perimeter frame. On top of that, it's loaded with premium components like Öhlins TTX shocks and Brembo Stylema brake calipers. It's also lighter and comes with narrower tires, making it feel even more agile.